What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. You need to watch this video because I've got something really special for you guys. Let's get started. Boom! This is a bird feeder from a company named amzn.to. Trust me, this is not the same kind of stuff that you can find in your grandmom's backyard. This is SpaceX level of bird feeders because it has a built-in camera with an AI recognition system, which means you can feed the bird, you can watch them in a really close-up view and find out everything about them on the phone. I can't really think of anything that's less creepy, but trust me, you will be either laughing or learning. Not too bad for a bird feeder. It's quite heavy. Let's find out what the fuss is all about. It looks a little bit messy. I can fix it. Ta-da! What a lovely product. It's so beautiful, and I'm pretty sure whoever received this as a Christmas gift is probably gonna be one of the happiest fella on the planet. So first thing first, 1080p live video. I think this is quite essential in today's time because everybody has such an endless amount of desire to share things on social media, especially when you have the content that's quite cute and fussy and funny.
I'm sexy and I know it.
By the way, Backyard Bird Lovers is amzn.to's own community for all bird lovers, and from time to time, they give Birdfy for free. So if you want one, make sure you scan the QR code and join the community today.
So second thing is 135-degree wide view angle. That's pretty handy in my opinion, because you want that wide view to capture all the actions at once. Sometimes, could be multiple birds at the same time or a giant squirrel. The third thing is two-way audio. So I think this is another handy feature as well, because you can communicate with the birds if you know how to speak bird language, or make some crazy sound and scare away the squirrels. IP65 weatherproof. I'm not gonna go in details about the dictionary definition of what that means, but if you don't install this thing anywhere under the water, you should be sweet, all right? Full night vision. I think that is pretty great because this is a great daytime bird feeder, bird viewer product, but during night it becomes a great sort of a security camera. Killing two birds with one stone. 1.5 liter seed capacity. I mean, that sounds a lot. I'm sure it's gonna last for quite a while because I can't even finish 1.5 liter of anything in a short period of time. So that's pretty decent. Motion detector. That's right. So the camera only works when something is moving around. You know, birds, squirrels, delivery guy. So it doesn't waste your storage, okay? And you don't have false alarm all the time. You don't have to dig useful content in like hours of recordings. So I think that is pretty sweet. Micro SD card storage. So when you have some really good content that you found on the phone, you captured all that great details with the birds and whatever, then you don't have to move the whole thing inside the house to plug into your computer to download all that videos. All you have to do is just remove that micro SD card. So it becomes a lot, simpler. If you like our product, please follow amzn.to on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. All right? See you next time. Merry Christmas!